Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation under Lee.
Thank you, Ms. Lee. Let me check. Yes, for 3 nights?
That's right. Can I have a quiet room?
Of course. Room 502. It's very quiet.
Perfect. Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is Sunshine2024.
Great. What time is breakfast?
From 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
Is it included?
Yes, your reservation includes breakfast.
Wonderful. Where is my room?
Take the elevator to the 5th floor. Turn left.
Thank you. Does the room have a fridge?
Yes, a small one. And a TV too.
Is the pool open now?
Sorry, it closes at 8 p.m. Open again tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Okay, can I get extra towels?
Certainly, I'll send some to your room.
One more thing. When is checkout time?
11 a.m. Need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Here's your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too, Ms. Lee.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you today?
I need a new jacket.
What kind of jacket? Winter or spring?
Something for cool weather.
We have nice ones over here.
Oh, this black one looks good.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. What size is this?
It's a medium. The fitting room is there.
It fits well.
It looks great on you.
How much does it cost?
$89.99. It's good quality.
Do you have anything cheaper?
Yes, these are $59. Same style.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Great choice. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your receipt. Enjoy your jacket.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
Hi.
Hello?
I want to borrow books. How do I start?
First, you need a library card.
How do I get one?
Just fill out this form and show your ID.
Is it free?
Yes, completely free.
How many books can I take?
You can borrow 5 books at first.
For how long?
3 weeks, but you can renew them.
Where are the fiction books?
Second floor. Follow the blue signs.
When does the library close today?
At 8 p.m., but it closes at 5 p.m. on Sundays.
Where do I return books?
Use the drop box outside or bring them here.
What if I return them late?
Small fee, 25 cents per day per book.
Thanks, you've been so helpful.
My pleasure. Happy reading.
Hey, Mark, do you know Lisa?
Hi, Sarah. Lisa. No, I don't think so. Who is she?
She's my friend from work. She's really nice.
Oh, cool. What does she look like?
She's tall with brown hair. She wears glasses.
Is she married?
No, she's single, but she has a boyfriend.
What does she do?
She's a nurse at the hospital.
That's interesting. Is she friendly?
Yes, very. She always helps people.
How old is she?
She's about 30, I think.
Does she like sports?
Not really. She loves reading and traveling.
Sounds like a great person. Can I meet her?
Sure, she's coming to my party next week.
Perfect. When is the party?
Saturday at 7 p.m. Can you come?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. See you then. The bus was very late today.
Yes, I waited 20 minutes yesterday.
Last week, the bus did not stop for me.
Oh no, did you tell the bus company?
Yes, they said, we need more drivers.
And now the bus costs more money.
It's $3 now. Before it was $1.50.
Too expensive. My bus card is $120 now.
Do you take the train to work?
Sometimes, but many people in the morning.
Too many people push, not good.
Yes, and in summer, it's very hot.
Before, buses came every 10 minutes.
Now we wait long time. Very boring.
New night buses are good for late work.
But they stop at 12 o'clock. Too early.
Taxis cost too much money now.
Yes, $25 for short trip.
Do you like the green bikes?
The station bikes? Are they cheap?
$15 for one day, good price.
No traffic with bikes. Let's try.
Next Thursday?
Yes, no more bus problems.